Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing tips and tools for outdoor adventure. We've got a quick unboxing of some stuff that Peak Design sent me for review. So let's check it out, see what's in here. Alright, got some bubble wrap. Oh, nice. This is exciting. Get this box out of the way. Oh wow, this is cool. This is called the Everyday Sling, and this is the 6-liter. I've been wanting to try this for quite some time, so really looking forward to putting this to its paces on a trip I've got coming up. Love the details here. It's really nice. Let's open this other package as well. This is their field pouch. Everything's fair trade certified, which is fantastic. That's something I love about Peak Design. Which one should we take a look at first? Let's look at the field pouch. Expandable accessory pouch. It's got nice Velcro on the front here. Some more packing. It's also got really nice zipper pocket in here. Place for your memory cards, cables, things like that. Shoulder strap as well. Also got some additional pockets on the inside. Okay. Yeah, that looks really nice, like it would actually fit inside of this bag. So let's take a look at this one. Nice zipper pocket on the front. Boy, if you could feel the quality of this, it's pretty amazing. Just all kinds of attention to detail in the sewing. So good pocket on the front. Okay. More packaging that we'll need to recycle. It's got some dividers in here that can be removed. Looks like they have Velcro. Oh yeah. So these are really nice. Velcro, they fold down as well, so a lot of different configurations that you can put these in inside the bag. So this is perfect for a small mirrorless camera, DSLR, or a small drone kit as well. Makes the perfect travel personal item with its dedicated tablet sleeve. So it does have a nice tablet sleeve in here as well. Really nice. There's some side pockets. There's also another pocket on the inside here. Shoulder strap. Retainer strap. Places for cards also. Place for a pen in here. Notebook. Boy, a lot of great room in there. Let's take a look at the outside. Oh, I love this carry handle. It's super heavy duty. I like that. Really nice details here. And the shoulder strap feels super soft and comfy with additional nice detail there too. So that is the Everyday Sling. Looks like you could even put a camera clip on here as well. There's also loops on each corner for hanging additional things like a water bottle or something. If you had a small water bottle, you could actually put it on the inside of this pack. So you could put a mirrorless camera, body and lens, and maybe 1 to 2 extra lenses depending on their size. You could also put your tablet in there, a snack, wallet, phone, keys, maybe some sunglasses and a passport or something. On their website it says you could put 5 beers in here if you wanted to. And it includes the 2 flex fold divider, 2 large and 4 small internal stretchy pockets, 2 external carry straps, and padded tablet sleeve for up to 11-inch tablets. So you could wear it as a sling or as a hip bag. So I'm looking forward to getting this out, testing it, put it to the test, give it a good review along with this field pouch as well. So tell me down in the comments what you think of this initial look of these, see if you like them. Another way that you could help out the channel is if you'd hit that subscribe button down below. I certainly appreciate it. We're trying to grow the channel to 1,000 this year, and we're well on our way. So appreciate your help, and I'm so thankful for all of you that take the time to watch these videos. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.